Oh, there's a big snapper right there. Look at her head. Oh, she's huge. I can find giant snapping turtles, but I can't find no fish. I only got one so far. You got lots of little fish just chasing the vibrating line. That's not what I want. I want big fish. There's definitely plenty of activity out here. The only one I got so far came on a Senko. It's so boring fishing a Senko. I don't know what all these schools are, but definitely hundreds and hundreds of fish. Just don't know where the good ones are. Where'd all fish go, man? I don't get it. That's grass again. Oh. It's not grass. There's a big old fish just not fighting. What is up with this fish? It did not want to fight. Wow. Look how unhealthy you are. What is going on with this place? Look at how unhealthy you are. That should be, but it's definitely not. A fish this size should be about 3 pounds, but yeah, an 18. An 18. Look how skinny that fish is. That's ridiculous. Sorry, buddy. Unbelievable.